So this AI agent can answer your queries as you ask. So for example, if you ask your query in a text format, it will revert in text format. If you ask your query in voice format, it will answer your query in voice format. And that's exactly what we have done. You can see whenever I'm asking in text, it is answering me in text. Whenever I'm questioning audio format, it is answering me in audio format. So let me just quickly play an audio for you guys.
I'm here to help. Is there something specific you'd like assistance with?
A 5 minutes guided meditation.
Certainly. Here's a simple 5-minute guided meditation script you can follow. 5-minute guided meditation. Find a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes gently. 1.
And that is how amazing is this agent. To create this agent is what we are gonna be covering in this particular video. So watch out till very end to get something like this created for you or for your client. So this is the backend of this AI agent which we just demonstrated, and it is being triggered on receiving a Telegram message. So you can see over here, the first is the Telegram trigger. And if you are feeling overwhelmed by looking at this particular flow, don't worry, because I'll be providing a ready-made JSON template in the description box below. You can find it over there, and you can simply import it in your portal and you can start using it. So how do you I'm just gonna give you a quick walkthrough of what node is responsible of doing what. So first is we receive a Telegram message and we have to identify whether it is a voice or an text. As I have already demonstrated, it actually, if you give the query in text format, it will answer back in text. If you give the query in audio format, it will answer back in the audio format. So for that, we'll have to identify whether we are receiving the query in audio or text format. That's what the second node does. And the third node is, if it is a voice format, it redirects to a different flow. If it is in text format, it redirects into a different flow. So in the first flow, if it is a voice format, it goes on to the voice format flow, where we are actually getting the details of the file. In this, actually getting the file and downloaded, and then using OpenAI to transcribe the recording. What is mentioned in the particular recording by the user is what we are using OpenAI over here. And how to connect your OpenAI, I've already recorded a lot of tutorials on how you can connect your OpenAI API keys, which you can find the link somewhere over here. You can refer to my previous video. And if you are someone who is already watching me since my very first video and you are watching this along, so congratulations, you're already on the top notch and you can actually do the further proceedings. The second thing is, if it is not a voice, if it's a text, it goes on to the agent input, where we actually identify what the Telegram user has sent us the message, and we get AI agent to actually analyze this query by this AI agent. And we have kept this agent very simple. You are a helpful assistant, always be concise. It's a very simple prompt I've given to this agent. Again, I'm using OpenAI chat model over here, and a simple memory. I've already recorded a video that is a simple memory and how you can create this particular AI agent node in n8n. I've already recorded a video which you can find the link somewhere over here. How to create your first agent is what we demonstrated in this particular video. Please watch that video, and so that you get a better understanding this AI agent node is about, and why we are using a simple memory, why we are using an OpenAI chat model. I've clearly mentioned in that particular video. Please go through that video and then come back to this for your better understanding. It will be more beneficial for you to actually do the customization for yourself and for your clients as well. And from here, we actually do the switch, whether if it is a voice node, it reverts back in voice format. Whether it is a text format, we revert back in a text format. So we have provided a wait node, because this AI agent might take some time to actually analyze. So that is why we have given a wait node of, I think, 5 seconds. Yes. And here, once we have 5 seconds of wait node done, we send a simple text over here, revert back to the same user by identifying the simple memory by you grabbing the ID of the Telegram user to the same number. So in the second option, we are using voice, and we are using OpenAI to actually transcribe this audio in its voice. So OpenAI gives us a feature of recording the voice. So you can see the response format is in Opus, which is actually a voice format of OpenAI, and you can see a text to speech TTS model. What is the TTS model? I've already recorded a video on this, which you can find the link somewhere over here. What is the full form of text? TTS is text to speech, and we are using model 1 for this, and we are generating the operation we are using over here is generate an audio. And again, wait node, so that whole automation gets a time to actually generate this. Again, 10 seconds I've kept over here because it's an audio, so 10 seconds is a better format over here, and then again it sends back to the user in then audio format. So that's how simple it is. Don't be overwhelmed because I'll be providing you the JSON template. You'll get it in the description box below, and you can actually do the customization as per your requirements. So in case you want to do the customization, this is you'll have to do the customization to your agent. I've kept it very generic, very simple for you guys to demonstrate, and you can actually give more prompts. You can actually define role and agent. So basically this agent was created for a meditation purpose, meditation agent for one of our client, and that is why it was named as meditate with Shruti agent. That was a test agent which we created. You can again use it for finance, you can use it for your daily workflow follow-ups, you can use it as an accountability partner. Again, depends on use cases. You can do the customizations, so you can change the instructions at the backend this way. And that's all about it in this particular video. Also will be mentioned in the description box. I've already recorded a video which you can find the link somewhere over here, where I have already demonstrated how you can actually connect your Telegram with N8N, and you can actually use this AI agent for yourself. And that's all from my end. And let me know in the comment section below what more agents you want me to build and bring up to you for you guys. Please drop in your love into the comment section, because all these things requires a lot of research and a lot of energy for you guys, and all this is happening in return. I'm asking you guys just your love and support, so that more valuable content are there on the way, so that you can actually upscale yourself, and help me doing that by just commenting below and showing your love by sharing this video and commenting, like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.